6,750 pesos for a retro aesthetic camera? But what if your phone already takes better photos? The Kodak PixPro C1 is blowing up online. TikTok, aesthetic feeds, vintage vibes everywhere. But is it actually worth it or just another cheap camera with good marketing? Let's be real. On paper, it sounds solid. You get a 13-megapixel sensor, a flip-up screen for selfies, and 1080p video. It's also super lightweight and beginner-friendly, perfect if you just want something simple and fun. And honestly, in good lighting, photos look decent, even nostalgic. Now, this is where things fall apart. The image quality? Only okay in bright light. Low light? Grainy, noisy, and sometimes unusable. Zoom in? Blurry. Autofocus? Slow. And compared to your phone, it's actually worse in most situations. Even reviewers say it feels like using an old smartphone camera from years ago. Online opinions are mixed. It's fun, but photos are grainy and dull. Others say it's just for vibes, not serious photography. So yeah, people don't hate it, but they don't fully trust it either. Is it a scam? Here's the honest answer. Not a scam. Real product from a Kodak licensed brand works as advertised. But it's more of a toy or aesthetic camera than a real upgrade. So here's the deal. If you want perfect photos, use your phone. But if you want that messy, imperfect, nostalgic vibe, this camera might actually be the point.